Hi everyone, it's Gail. And it's Mixed Media Monday, but all my mixed media stuff is kind of packed away. So I thought I'd do a little update on the garage craft room. You might remember those two stacks of boxes I did last time, but look, all my furniture has been delivered and everything fit in here. I'm so thrilled about that. Let's go down. We'll just talk and go. All my tables from my craft room are folded up and put there. All that is Christmas stuff. And then those stacks just have supplies that I thought I could live without until I can move to the basement. I had the movers leave a little aisle just in case I need to get in there. But yeah, so they got all the furniture in, which that was kind of what was keeping me awake at night. See, everything's still all wrapped in the plastic wrap that you do. So like this cart, instead of having to clear that whole thing out, was able to just wrap that stuff around it, and that was great. So yeah, and same with that big tall thing of drawers. So, and this one, and then all the plastic drawers, I just wrapped them with that stuff. And so a lot of my mixed media stuff is in there. And then this little cabinet, and look, there's a good 3 feet that doesn't have anything. There's the boxes behind. This is Mike's little corner where he has some stuff. Mostly his stuff is on the back patio, but yeah, so that's kind of that. We're still unloading boxes, and so these boxes need to go back to the other house. In the garage, we're just going to break them down and recycle them there. But yeah, so then the only other thing that's new since the last, I think, is I put up this table. Again, I have enough room to walk through, but that you can see there's my paints. Again, some paints, and I have a little room here that I'm going to use for Etsy orders. And then I think all this is pretty much the same. Just everything I thought I would need to make a journal is just right there. And then this little bit here, that basket is my slow stitch stuff, and all of those 2 bags are slow stitch. That fabric bag down there is beading, which I haven't done in a long time, so I don't know. We'll see. And that little bit is some things I was putting together to put in my Etsy shop. So yeah, I'm getting there. Oh, and there's my rug. You guys suggested that I put a rug down in my area, and that really is nice. I'm really glad that I did that. So, and now my sewing machine is workable because I'll show you if I can over the edge here. See, that extension cord goes to a power strip, which my sewing machine is in. So it's a little squishy there, but I think I could do it. So let's see. So I think that's about it, you guys. I've got my Patreon projects are down there, just waiting for next week's episode. So yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. At some point, we'll have this this box here will be out. My daughter gave Mike an elevated garden bed, and so that just needs to be put together. But yeah, we're just really getting there. We're really getting there. So this is how I'm going to do it for the duration. I don't know if it'll take 6 months or a year to get my to get the basement situated. We'll see, So that's the update, guys. I'll thank you not to send any hoarding messages. Got a couple of those on the last view, but you know, you need what you need to do this craft, and that's some of it right there. So thanks everybody for 99.9 of you with your terrific support and just telling me that I'll make it and that I'll do it, and thanking me for still making videos. I really do appreciate your support so much. Thanks everybody. We'll see you next time. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. Bye.